Hello everybody, coming at y'all today, just do like a little vlog, personal vlog this week instead of doing like a repair or some real information. Leave that for maybe later on this week. Just wanted to say this week starting out was kind of rough because I ended up having some truck issues that lingered from last week to this week. So got to my destination late. And probably got here like an hour and some change late type of truck repairs. But it wasn't all truck repairs because I was stuck at NIT for a certain amount of time as well. They kind of held me up too. So it was just rough. The particular repair I'm talking about, I need a new sensor for my coolant reservoir. So that code usually comes up as SPN111. I believe it's FMI, either 0 or 1, but either way stands for low coolant level, which obviously if you have coolant in your tank, then probably the sensor. So that's what I did. I'm gonna make a new video about how to switch that out. Even though I did a video about it before, the new video will be a lot quicker. You know what I'm saying? But either way, those ain't the only repairs I got. That's not the only repair I got to do with this particular truck. You got this big crack on the windshield right here, and I just got this replaced not but 3 months ago. So on top of that one, I got this one over here, as you can see right there. So that one hasn't spread yet, I'm surprised, but this one spread like crazy. I gotta get both of those replaced, so that sucks. And both of these is gonna be a good couple $100, like probably $400 or $500 to get both of them replaced. The actuator, the EGR actuator, that one got messed up less than a year, so that one's still under warranty. I gotta buy a new actuator first, then take the old actuator back to where I got it from, which is Freightliner, then fill out some paperwork so I can go ahead and get reimbursed for that. Oh, that's just time consuming, man. I don't want to do that. Why can't everything just work? You know what I'm saying? Why can't I just not have to worry about repairs for like a good year from now or something like that? And plus, you know, something else is gonna come up within the next couple months. You gotta do something else. But that's just what it is when you are a owner operator, man. So hopefully this will be a good work week. You know what I'm saying? Have a good amount of at least work 4 days. Have some good days, like some good runs within this week, and I'll be able to take care of things. But yeah, that's enough about me complaining about these repairs. I'll come back next week, hopefully, with something a little more interesting to talk about. Let me know what kind of repairs y'all got. And let's try that one more time. Let me know what kind of repairs y'all had to have recently taken care of. And I'll see y'all in the next video.